Hello children, how are you? Today we are going to learn pattern in math. Okay, unit 3. So, what is pattern? Just observe the picture in your textbook. Page number 45. Have you seen the chessboard, children? The same picture is here. Just observe it. White square and then brown square. White square and then brown square, and so on. So how it is repeated? This is known as pattern. White and brown. This is a square in design. Is a repeated pattern. White, brown, white, brown, white, brown. In the same way, other pattern also you can observe. So what is pattern? The definition of the pattern is: a pattern is formed when objects, events and numbers are repeated uniformly in a specific way. Okay, what does it mean? It means the object, for example here square, here is the square is an object. For example, object or numbers or anything, okay, repeated uniformly in a specific way. Here in the square way. In the down 3.1 pattern you can observe up and down hand patterns. Okay, here next in the leg pattern, our feet pattern. So it is up and down direction. So these are known as in a specific way, isn't it? Now, how the pattern is created? There are two types of pattern, regular and irregular. Okay, so these patterns can be created by shapes, by stamping. Okay, by stamping our finger, our objects, etc. For example, observe these pattern, children. Block patterns created using handprints and footprints are shown below. Look at this pattern. In the first line, handprint, follow the direction left, upside, right and then downside, that is downwards, isn't it? Now, and for the footprint is up and down direction, that's all. In the second line, both the hand side by side, okay, both the hand print side by side. Now children, you can observe this block pattern and you can do by yourself upcoming next pattern, isn't it? Now look in your textbook page number 46. Here activity 1, create pattern by impressing, okay, on a paper. For example, dry leaves, your bangle, your sharpener, etc. Look at this page number 46, activity 1. Create patterns by impressing your finger, your hands, dry leaves, eraser, your sharpener, etc. okay, on the paper. Now you can do activity 20 by yourself. Create patterns by using seats, buttons, bottle lids. Even you can use vegetables like lady's finger, cabbage. Okay, cabbage will give very interesting patterns. And cotton you can dip in color and then press on the plain paper, like sponge. All those things you can try it. It will give you fantastic patterns again, and you can print it on a specific way, on a different directions, up and down, right and left sides. Like that you can create pattern by yourself. Now look at this new terms of pattern. Pattern in geometrical shape. Okay, there are two types of pattern, growing pattern and repeated pattern. What is the mean of geometrical, girls? That square, rectangle, circle, heart shape, these are the geometrical shape. Dimensional, diagonal, all those things, these are the geometrical pattern. With the help of these shape, we can create a pattern design, okay, which is known as geometrical pattern, geometrical shape. So there are two types of geometrical pattern, that is growing pattern and repeated patterns. Let us see what is known as growing pattern. If some patterns or designs increase or grow in a line, okay, with a straight line and geometrical forms, okay, geometrical shape, which is known as growing pattern, because it's keep on growing, first one, then second, then third, it's keep on developing, so in a straight line, okay, so which is known as growing pattern. Look at this example of growing pattern, page number 47. Here the first one is one square box is there, then next is 2 and the next is 3. It's keep on increasing, isn't it? And the next is 4 square, the next is 5. It's keep on developing, it's keep on increasing in a straight line, in a geometrical form, in a square shape, in a rectangle shape, in a triangle shape. So look at this second design, how it is. It is like a house, isn't it? Like a hut. So first is one house, second is 2 house, and third is 3 house, and the fourth is 4 house. Like that, it's keep on growing, isn't it? In the just observe all the patterns of the growing pattern, isn't it? Now you will understand easily. Look at this pattern, children. Here growing pattern using circle and square. Okay, look at this circle. First one circle, then next 2 circle, then 3 circle, then 4 circle, then 5 circle. It's keep on growing, it's keep on increasing. So in the same way, square, 1 square, then 2 square, then 3 square, it's keep on changing, it's keep on growing, which is known as growing pattern. So it is a example of growing pattern using geometrical shape, square and circle, isn't it? Like this you can create by yourself. Now you can do the practice by doing, continue the growing pattern, okay? It will easy to do, you can do by yourself, it will give more benefit. Are you enjoying, children, learning patterns? It's quite easy and fun, isn't it?